Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to fix all the issue regarding SSL script, as well as you'll get at first when you try to load the Airgeddon. This it will not it will show this error, like it's the command is not found. So basically what you want to do is to go inside this folder, like here I did that, then make it executable. So previously it was not executable. Now what I did was make it all file executable. uh, Basically I can do AIRG. So this is the tool. So if I try to hit my password, so basically it shows the loading screen, but let me just cancel this, right? Let me do enter for that. So SSL script error. So what you want to do is to here is a GitHub link for that. So this is a SSL script, so you want to download this. So copy that, and so I have already downloaded that. So if I go to so this is my terminal. So if I go to cd desktop, then SSL script, so here you'll see a file. So what you want to do is do Python, then setup .py, then let's do install. So it has been successfully installed. So if we try to run the Airgeddon, so I don't know the pronunciation, sorry for that. So let's do enter. So let's do dummy, then let's do enter for that, and let's wait for it to load. Let's do enter. So now there is no error. So now what you want to do is please enter. So let's do enter. So everything is working. So what I want to do is WLAN LAN 0 for that. So I want to choose 2. So it's just a Wi-Fi hacking tool. So thank you for that. So if you want a tutorial or something, just tell me, I'm gonna just do it. So thank you guys.